Hello students, today we are going to learn area of triangle, how sine rule and cos rule are derived. So we are going to derive those formulas of area of triangle, sine rule and cosine rule. So let's start with area of triangle. Now this is a non-right angle triangle A, B and C. Okay, so the side opposite to this angle A, I am going to call it as small a. And the side opposite to capital B, I am going to call this as small b. The side opposite to this angle C, I am going to call it as small c. And let this AD is the perpendicular height. So AD happens to be this. So this is the perpendicular height of the triangle. So according to the area of triangle, what is area of triangle? Area of triangle is half into the base times the height. So what is my height? Base. So base is the length A in this case. So the base is the length A. And what is the height? Height is length H. Now I want to get the H in terms of C. How can I get the length in terms of edge C? So let's see. So sine theta. What is sine theta? Sine theta for this sine angle B, sine of not theta, sine of angle B, sine of angle B will be the opposite side. So opposite to this is H divided by the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is just C. So your height is equal to C times sine of angle B. So can I substitute in place of H? Can I substitute this? So area of the triangle is half into A into C times sine of angle B. Okay, so if I use A and C into the angle between them, similarly if I use these two sides, so what will be the area of triangle? So area of the triangle, if I use these two sides, would be half into the length of this side, which is A, and the length of this side, which is B, into sine of angle between them. So sine of angle C. Now if I use the top two sides, area will be half into B into C into sine of angle between them, which is A. Okay, so this is how you get area of the triangle. Now I'll call this as equation 1, this as equation 2, and this equation 3. Now to prove sine rule, let's use equation 1 and equation 2. Now area of the triangle will be always same because the sides are same. So let's use equation 1. So half into A into C into sine of angle B is equal to, here equation 2, half into A into B into sine of C, B into sine of angle C. Now can we cancel things which are same? So this half and this half can be cancelled. The side A and side A can be cancelled. So you are left with B C into sine of angle B is equal to B into sine of angle C. Now I'll take the C on this side and B on this side. So I'll end up getting sine of angle B divided by angle B, side B, is equal to sine of angle C divided by side C. So this is how you get area of the triangle, sine rule. So if I use the other two equations, I'll end up getting sine B by B equal to sine C by C, which is equal to sine capital A divided by A. So this is your sine rule. We are going to use sine rule when you are having two sides and two angles involved. When you have two sides and two angles involved, you will use sine rule to solve the equations. Now how do you prove cosine rule? Now let us consider a non-right angle triangle again. This is A, B and C. This is a perpendicular length. I'll call it as D. Now this side opposite to the angle C is small c, the side opposite to this is small b, and this is small a. Now let's find the equation of CD. Now CD, equation of CD will be the total length. Total length is A. So A minus BD. That is your this length CD. Now I'll use this CD. Apply a Pythagoras theorem for this ABD. Right angle triangle ABD, sorry ACD, this right angle triangle, I am going to use Pythagoras theorem. So B square is equal to AD square plus DC square or CD square. Okay, let this be as it is. Now substitute these sides. So AD AD square is as it is, AD square. CD is what? A minus BD. Expand this. So AD square plus A square plus BD square minus 2 into the length A into BD. Okay, now we are going to use this right angle triangle, okay, and prove some things. So in this right angle triangle, sine of angle B, the sine of angle B will be opposite side, which is AD, divided by hypotenuse, which is C, or AD is equal to C times sine of angle B, and cos of angle B will be adjacent side BD divided by hypotenuse C, or C times cos of angle B is equal to BD. So we are going to use these two and substitute there. Okay, so substituting, AD is what? C times sine of angle B, the whole thing square, plus A is as it is. So BD happens to be C times cos of angle B, the whole thing square, minus 2 into A into BD is again C times cos of angle B. Okay, now expanding, C square sine square B plus A square plus C square cos square of B minus 2AC into cos of angle B is your B square. Now this and this are same, so let us take C square common. So we are left with sine square B plus cos square of B plus A square minus 2AC into cos of B. Now sine square B plus cos square B is 1. So this you are going to learn later. Uh, so as of now use it, sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So this is our main angle. So this is how you prove the cosine rule. So square of one side is equal to sum of squares of other two sides minus 2 times the other two sides into cos of angle between those two. Okay, if you are finding A square, it will be A square plus B square minus 2AB into cos of angle opposite to, sorry, A square is B. Okay, I made a mistake. So let me take it as C square is equal to A square plus B square into 2AB into cos of angle here, and A square will be B square plus C square minus 2 into BC into cos of angle A. So this is how you prove the sine rule and cosine rule. Okay,